Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Private sector interests from Trinidad and Tobago are looking to strengthen their relationship with various industries in Jamaica. A delegation representing the TT government and at least 17 businesses are on a trade mission in the island. Jamaica and Trinidad and Tobago engage in quite a bit of trade, but for years, local business interests highlighted what they viewed as gaps in the goods exchange process. With some of those kinks ironed out, local interests have been exploring trade opportunities in the Twin Island Republic, and business interests there say they are ready to trade. President of the Trinidad and Tobago Manufacturing Association, TTMA, Trisha Kusal, says that is why this mission is important.
The aim of the mission is to expand and promote bilateral export trade between both countries. However, implicitly as well, our purpose here is to solidify relationships. TTMA has always viewed Jamaica as our most valued trading partner, one of in the region. However, we would all agree that this relationship is much more than trade today.
At least 17 businesses are represented on this visit. Minister of Trade and Industry in Trinidad and Tobago, Paula Gopi-Schoon, says she hopes greater ties could be forged to boost regional integration.
Also in our services as well, we have some people here who are doing services. Locan is one of them. We want to deepen the services as well. We've got to make it easier and we've got to make it healthier for both our countries. The relationship is much too strong to let little niggling things get between us.
She says partnerships for the trade of services are also being explored. Meanwhile, Jamaica's Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Aubin Hill, says the local economy is ready for more TNT investments.
So we have the workforce you can work with. We have an economy that is growing. We have the fact that people are being employed. Before the pandemic, end of 2019, we had 43,000 people employed in the BPO sector. We now have upward of 55,000 and growing quite fast. So we have a growing economy.
Manufacturing and distribution conglomerate Jamaica Producers JP Group and Pan Jam Investment today announced plans to merge. The transaction is expected to be completed within the first quarter of 2023. The companies say the agreement, which is subject to approval by the shareholders of both entities, will see Pan Jam acquiring JP's operating assets in exchange for a 34.5% stake in Pan Jam. On completion of the merger, Pan Jam, which will hold the combined businesses, will be renamed Pan Jamaica Group. Jamaica Producers will be the largest shareholder of the new group, with its holdings in the group being its principal operating assets. Now, current CEO of JP, Jeffrey Hall, will be CEO and Executive Vice Chairman of the Board of Directors of the new Pan Jamaica Group. Pan Jam's current CEO, Joanna Banks, will hold the position of President of Pan Jamaica Group. Now, Stephen Facey will serve as Chairman of the new group's board. Pan Jam Group and JP will, however, remain listed on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange as separate entities. Together, JP and Pan Jam hold $100 billion on their balance sheet. And let's head to the foreign exchange market now. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.69. $115.66 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $181.54 for the pound, while it's costing an average $159.50 for the euro. The JSE Index gained 2,547 points today, while the Junior Market Index fell by 42 points. Among the winners were Kingston Properties, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Jamaica Producers Group, JMMB Group 7% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, and JMMB Group 7.25% shares. Now leading the decliners were ISP Finance Services, General Accident Insurance, Epley Caribbean Property Fund SCC, CAC 2000, and AMG Packaging and Paper Company. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.